Digital transformation, what is it? The 20th century to the 21st. From the industrial era to a digital world, the 20th century to the 21st. From long-term planning and large investments to a speedy world that is digital, mobile, and chaotic. Trial and error versus long-term planning. From write-off in 5, 10, or 15 years to almost daily ones. From hierarchy-driven organizations where you commanded and employees executed to dispersed network hierarchies where individuals empowering. How do we do it? You need attitude, skills, technology, and a complete new business model. What is attitude? An open mind toward innovation, continuous learning habits, the capacity to learn your skills, the ability to accept change and certain levels of chaos. Skills, the adaptation of private digital life to our business, the last model of iPhone in our pocket, and data processing 10-year-old in our company. To become digital, a company must work toward converting its stakeholders' connections, above all customers, as simple as using a mobile phone. Technology, be serious. We cannot go on investing forever in obsolete systems, even if they are today the basis of our business. We must avoid inventing the wheel with tailor-made solutions and move toward new modern platforms, no code, that will enable our systems maximal flexibility and rapid response times. New business models, a lot to be done. The 21st century goes from ownership to enjoyment and requires constant adapting to your business model. Any business can go from profitability to disappearing in a few months, no matter how big you are. The 20th century technology was far away from the business. Large ERPs, CRMs, BIS, and so on created very controlled infrastructure that were terribly inflexible and became obsolete as they were deployed. This was possible in a world that allowed us to plan 5 years ahead. Today, business demands rapid response times and the possibility to use trial and error instead of long-term planning. The 21st century technology must be an active part of the business. We need new no-code platforms that, while initially integrating existing legacy systems, allow us to deploy new business models on the fly. Technology must be an integral part of a new business solution that we need to launch in days and weeks instead of months and years. How do we build the necessary bridge to make it possible? We need a leader that we can get inside the company or outside, that has the right attitude and can deploy the required skills to create a radical change in the organization. Above all, if he or she comes from outside, must act as an oil stain. Get first a team that is completely aligned with the digital objectives and can help convince the rest of the company. Top management must support the effort totally. What do we know that we have made it? When all interactions with our stakeholders, especially customers, are done from mobile phones in a flexible ecosystem with a high level of self-service and satisfaction. We need to be able to have over 50% of our sales in products and services that are less than 2 years old. Launching new products must be a trial and error system that is implemented in a few days or weeks. Many thanks.